Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool at work, it's quickly becoming a requirement for moving up the corporate ladder. After recently laying off around 11,000 employees, global consultancy firm Accenture says the use of AI at work is important. You either use artificial intelligence or do not get your appraisal. You will not get your appraisal. The company has told senior managers and associate directors that promotions into leadership roles will now depend in part on how regularly they use internal AI tools. The message to employees is that if you are not using AI, your career progression could slow down. In fact, Accenture has also begun tracking weekly logins into these tools and factoring that data into talent and performance discussions. In fact, this policy comes as the firm reshapes its operations around an AI-led business model. Reports say the Dublin-headquartered company has trained 550,000 of its 780,000 employees in generative AI, a sharp increase from just 30 people trained in 2022. So they're really wanting their workforce to adapt to AI. Microsoft, Google and Meta have issued similar messages as the industry shifts towards an AI-driven future. The bigger picture is clear. AI fluency is fast moving from a nice-to-have skill to a core requirement for leadership in the modern workspace. But remember, we're looking at companies like KPMG very recently who penalized their staff members for using AI to cheat in their internal exams. So there is a balance. On one hand, you have usage of AI while giving your exams, that is totally banned. While on the other hand, to adapt to faster work culture and probably produce a lot more efficiently, companies do want you to use AI. So a thin line, but certainly something that you got to walk.